We are back at Alton Towers 2025. The first of a few visits this year, hopefully. Bag check, and then we can get through the next bit. Yes, it is March. We didn't come on the opening weekend, but we are here for weekend number 2. It actually opened last Saturday. We're very busy today. See how many rides we can do. It's a late opening tonight, so we'll try and do as many as we can. There's the guest services near the entrance. Okay, so we have arrived at Toxicator. It's the first ride of the day. And we've got a problem because someone's lost the phone. So a lesson for Toxicator is make sure you don't leave your phone in your pocket, your back pocket. As this couple here looks like the phone or something's fell out and it's landed down in the bit where the water is. So they've either got to fetch someone to go and get it, or she's not getting it back till the end of the day. A little bit of an art form. Mission not successful. There we go. Get ready for the flip. Oh. So this is the new ride, Toxicator. There's other videos of onboard footage of this. So we've done so far down here, we've done Toxicator, and then we've been down to Galactica, and we've got front row seats for Galactica. And next up, our favourite, Nemesis Reborn.
And the 13 curse struck again. Unfortunately, the ride broke down just as we was about to get on it after queuing for 1 hour. And the last time we visited, we were in it for 2 hours, and then the ride broke down right at the entrance again. So yeah, unfortunately, we've still not had the chance to ride 13 in a long time. So that's it, everyone. I'm going to end it there. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and please remember to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for future videos. Thank you and goodbye.